Hello, student of class 7. Devi Moil Public School welcomes you. Online e-learning class. I am your social science teacher, Manish Sabde. Dear student, today's topic is art and architecture and literature. Here, dear student, a great works of Sanskrit like Rajatarangini. Dear student, Rajatarangini written by Kallan. Rajatarangini is a metrical legendary and historical chronicle of the northwestern Indian subcontinent, particularly the kings of Kashmir. It was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri historian Kannan in 12th century. The work consists of 7,826 verses which are divided into 8 books called Tarangas. The Rajatarangini provides the earliest source of Kashmir that can be labeled as historical text on this region. So dear student, it is all about Rajatarangini written by Kallan. Now we know Maharshi Ved written Mahabharata and Maharshi Valmiki written Ramayana. Puranas. Dear student, the Rajatarangini, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Puranas were translated into Arabic. History became an important part of Indian writing. Babarnama, Akbarnama. We know the Babarnama, it tells us the history of Babar or letters of Babar. Akbarnama and Ain-e-Akbari are main sources of information of that period. Jahangir was scholar of Persian language. He wrote Tuzuk-e-Babari. Mughal rule was the golden period of music. Here, the music and poetry of Mughal Empire. Mughal period was the golden period of music. Tansen was the famous jewels of Akbar's court. Dear student, poetry was very popular. It was based on the variety of themes ranging from loyal court to worship. So it was all about music and poetry in Mughal Empire. Here, the architecture. The Mughals built the fine specimens of architecture. Akbar built a famous Humayun tomb in Delhi. You can see the picture on your screen. The Humayun tomb located in Delhi, Fatehpur Sikri and Buland Darwaza near Agra. We know the Shahjahan, we know the Jahangir laid a beautiful gardens like Shalimar Bagh. But it is Shahjahan who is known as an engineer emperor. Dear student, Shahjahan built Red Fort, Jama Masjid and the world famous Taj Mahal. That Jama Masjid and Taj Mahal built by Shahjahan, who is known as engineer emperor. He built Jama Masjid and famous Taj Mahal. Here we know that the famous paintings of the Mughal period were the synthesis of Indian and Persian schools of art. Besides being the painting, beside being a patron of painters, Jahangir himself was well-known painter. The literature, music, painting, architecture, all were their senior during the Mughal Empire. So dear student, this is the literature, art and architecture in Mughal Empire. I hope you understand this literature, art and architecture in this topic. So dear student, here is some assignment question for you. You can note it in your notebook. So dear student, thank you for watching this online teaching video. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you for today.